Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You really? Okay, so this was me like 80. Like I was at 83,000 like a couple of weeks back. Last time that I saw this, and I'm like, when this guy showed his, you're at what?
121,000 so far this year, 2019. And think about it, it's only half of the year. Imagine the next half of the year.
Ah, shit.
When did you start,
It's
man?
okay. I started on Valentine's Day, homeboy. This year, so February 14th was like, I didn't want to go to the appointment, and I went. It was across the freeway. And I didn't even want to go. It was just one of those bad days. But I ended up going, talking to Pitch.
Yeah.
And just got the keys. And dude, that Airbnb today made us 5,700 clean this month.
That's what I'm talking about.
And then when this guy shows me his what is it, 121?
Yeah.
And I'm like, am I still at 83? And I'm like, hell no, I'm at 101. So
That's
it's
what I'm
just
talking
like,
about.
I was like six
That's
figures,
what I'm
like we just hit it.
talking about.
So you started February.
February,
That is
yeah.
crazy, man.
So this is January.
January.
But the thing is, last year, I made 77,000, and my occupancy rate was 98%. But now my occupancy rate is 77%. So what does that tell you? We know how to maximize our profit and having less occupancy.
Yeah. What's your cleaning fees?
So far,
21?
21.90.
2,065. We're only $100 away. All right.
So you pay hella more.
Yeah, I pay hella more.
So you gotta find a way.
I need to
pay
get your
less.
guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
I'm
give you
paying
his
like
contact.
190. He's paying like 140.
140.
All right. Well, we just want to show you guys these numbers because it's crazy what you can
It's
do on
proof.
Airbnb.
It does work.
Yeah. Tell them they have to subscribe. They have to subscribe.
You
to
have to
them.
subscribe, and we're doing this without owning any properties.
Yeah.
No properties at all.
We're ballers on a budget.
That's right.
So subscribe if you want to be a baller on a budget.
That's right. Hit the
Make
subscribe
six
button.
figures.
Subscribe button's this way, right?
This way.
This way, right?
This way.
It's this way, right?
It's this
It's
way.
this way.
Don't look at that. Look at that. Anyways, that's what we
Yeah.
did.
Subscribe. Weekly tips. Weekly tips.